So if you're loading into Warzone and you keep seeing that annoying connection failed error, don't worry, here's how to fix it. Step 1. Check Activision servers. A lot of times this error isn't on your end. Just Google Warzone server status or check Activision's official site. If the servers are down, you'll just have to wait. Step 2. Restart your router and console or PC. Simple, but it clears up most connection glitches. Step 3. Change your DNS settings on PC, Xbox, or PlayStation. Switch your DNS to something faster like Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS. This usually fixes those weird can't connect issues. Step 4. Flush your cache. On PC, open command prompt and type ipconfig/flushdns and run it. On console, just fully power Cycle. Turn it off, unplug for 30 seconds, then restart. Step 5. Use a wired connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, try plugging it with Ethernet. Warzone is super picky with unstable signals. Step 6. VPN trick, and this is optional. If your region's servers are overloaded, connecting through a VPN to another nearby region can sometimes bypass the error. And finally, if nothing works, reinstalling the game or checking your battle.net/Steam files for corruption can clear it up. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.